How to turn off HDR videos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable HDR video playback on Instagram so videos don't automatically load in standard dynamic range. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, what you can do is simply tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type media and search for it, and there you'll see the option labeled as data uses and media quality. So simply tap on that. And now here in this section, what you can do is simply scroll down, and they'll see the option labeled as upload at highest quality. So simply toggle off this option, and with that you can simply enable the data saver mode on, and this ensures that the video don't load in advanced HDR or high resolution automatically. And with that, you can also tap on high resolution media, and there on the next section there you can set it to never, and after that Instagram will play videos in standard resolution, and SDR video playback will be disabled as well. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.